off the angle. So I am so excited. I am here with Faith Family Homestead and I am celebrating with her. She reached 10,000 subscribers and that is just so exciting. Like, I can't even, like, I'm just so happy for her, and I feel like she definitely deserves every single person who takes the time to listen to her, because she is full of knowledge and she is authentic and genuine. And if you haven't been on her channel, if you have not subscribed, you definitely need to join the other 10,000 plus people who have already joined her, because it's definitely worth your time. And so we are here and we are celebrating all this goodness, and we've just been together. And what have we been doing?
We spray painted a metal bed that I have from Forever Beds, this pretty turquoise color because it's my favorite color, which is really exciting. Takrisha came over. We got goats last night, so we were seeing the goats, and that's really exciting. I'm just really excited by all the things that the Lord has blessed me with, and all my dreams come true.
Yes. If you have not checked out her video with her goats, like, they are so cute. I would definitely enter or input or put in the pictures of her goats and just us taking some pictures with them. I've never been that close to a goat like that, and it was really cute. Like, I'm so surprised, and it ate right from my hand. I felt like I can just come over here and just be right at a petting zoo. So that's so nice with the ducks and the chickens and the goats. And then let's not even talk about her beautiful garden. I daydream about her garden because it's so beautiful. It's filled with life, and she's worked so hard, and I'm just so happy for her with all her efforts. And so here's to 10,000 more.
Oh, that would be so much fun.
That is so beautiful. You said Bells of Ireland? Oh my goodness, yes. So gorgeous.
It used to be this way, but then I saw this morning.
I got the most beautiful the first blueberry. Okay, so we just finished putting together Dominique's garden bed, her raised metal garden bed, and it's incredible. It is so pretty. Like, check out this color, like, so beautiful. And I'm so excited that whoever comments on this video is going to be entered for a second entry into her drawing to win one of these. So you have to be subscribed to her page, you have to comment down, you got to watch her video and get the details for that, and then you're going to come over here and you're going to comment and you're going to get a second entry. And we're just so excited. Yay. We're so excited to be celebrating this way. And like I said, we got to do a little sneak peek tour because she's not giving away a tour, right? But I just went around and just looked at some of the beautiful things in her garden, and I'm just so blessed to be here with her and to celebrate with her. And don't forget, we'll check you out down in those comments.
Bye.